Hello. Welcome back to Kuki Decor, where creativity meets craftsmanship, and every forgotten piece of wood gets a second chance to shine. Today, we are diving into something truly magical: the world of transformation, the art of taking what's old, dusty, and seemingly outdated, and redesigning it into something bold, modern, and full of personality. The video you're watching, From Old to Bold: Redesigning Old Furniture into Modern Decor Pieces, is all about uncovering hidden beauty within time-worn furniture and turning it into a masterpiece that reflects today's design trends while keeping a touch of timeless charm. Imagine that old chair tucked away in the corner of your garage, or that vintage cabinet that's been passed down for generations. Instead of letting it fade away, what if we could breathe new life into it? That's exactly what we'll be doing today: reimagining, reshaping, and redesigning pieces that tell a story. Every scratch, every mark, every faded detail carries history, and with a touch of modern artistry, these imperfections become character, turning old furniture into statement decor pieces that elevate your home. At Kuki Decor, we believe in giving furniture a second soul. When we redesign an old piece, it's not just about sanding and repainting, it's about rediscovering its purpose. Maybe that worn-out dresser can become a sleek bathroom vanity, or that vintage table can be transformed into a stunning console piece that brightens your hallway. The possibilities are endless when you approach design with imagination and love for materials that already exist. If you love what you're seeing so far, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Kuki Decor. We post new videos every single day to inspire your creativity and help you turn your passion for design into something beautiful, and maybe even profitable. Now, let's talk about design philosophy. Redesigning old furniture is more than a DIY trend, it's a movement towards sustainability and mindful living. In a world filled with mass production, taking the time to restore, repurpose, and reinvent means you're not just decorating your home, you're preserving the planet. Each time you save a piece from ending up in a landfill, you're adding a unique story to your decor, while reducing waste and embracing eco-friendly living. In this transformation journey, the magic lies in creativity. You don't need fancy tools or professional skills, just patience, imagination, and a willingness to experiment. Picture an old wooden bench, sand it down, refinish it with a modern matte stain, and add brass legs for a luxurious touch. Suddenly, that forgotten piece becomes a modern masterpiece. Or take an antique mirror frame, repaint it with a minimalist finish, and turn it into a statement wall decor piece that brings character to your entryway. It's incredible how small changes can make such a big impact. Every project in today's video is designed to spark ideas, from rustic farmhouse aesthetics to sleek modern minimalism. We'll show you how to blend natural wood tones with neutral colors, how to pair reclaimed textures with modern materials, and how to make every redesigned piece a perfect fit for your interior style. Whether you prefer cozy, bohemian vibes or clean, Scandinavian-inspired looks, the art of redesigning old furniture can work beautifully in any setting. And here's the best part: these projects are not just about creativity, they can also be profitable. With a growing demand for sustainable and one-of-a-kind furniture, redesigned pieces often sell quickly in local markets, vintage shops, and online platforms. What you once considered junk can easily turn into a source of income. A simple coat of paint, new handles, or a creative redesign can increase the value of an old piece tenfold. So as you watch these transformations, remember your creativity could be your next business opportunity. If you're inspired to start your own furniture redesign journey, drop a comment below and tell us what kind of piece you'd love to transform first. And make sure to subscribe to Kuki Decor so you never miss out on our daily uploads filled with reclaimed wood projects, eco-friendly decor ideas, and modern DIY inspiration. We love reading your stories and seeing how you bring these ideas to life in your own homes. Now, let's get back to our transformations, because this is where the true artistry begins. Watch as we bring faded textures back to life, as dull finishes turn into glowing surfaces, and as ordinary furniture becomes extraordinary decor. From repainting and distressing to reupholstering and reshaping, every step is a blend of technique and imagination. You'll see how we experiment with color palettes, mix modern hardware with rustic wood, and add unique finishing touches that make each piece completely one of a kind. But beyond the technical side, there's something deeply emotional about redesigning old furniture. It's about preserving memories. Maybe that table once hosted family dinners, or that chair belonged to your grandparents. By redesigning them, you're not erasing their past, you're continuing their story in a new chapter of your life. That connection between old and new is what makes every redesigned piece so special. It carries history into modernity, warmth into minimalism, and soul into style. At Kuki Decor, our goal is simple: to show you that beauty doesn't always come from brand new things. Sometimes, it comes from what's been there all along, waiting to be rediscovered. Redesigning old furniture is not just about style, it's a statement of sustainability, creativity, and respect for craftsmanship. It reminds us that with the right touch, even the most ordinary objects can become extraordinary art pieces for your home. As this video unfolds, we'll guide you through color choices, finishing techniques, and style combinations that can elevate your furniture into stunning home decor. Whether you're working with old wood, metal frames, or upholstered furniture, you'll find ideas that are practical, inspiring, and easy to adapt to your space. So grab your tools, unleash your imagination, and let's turn something forgotten into something fabulous together. And remember, you don't need to be a professional to create beauty. All you need is curiosity, creativity, and a willingness to see potential where others see waste. Every brushstroke, every polish, every small redesign brings you closer to a home filled with character and warmth, a home that reflects your story, your taste, and your vision. Thank you for joining us today on Kuki Decor, where every video celebrates creativity, sustainability, and the love of handcrafted beauty. If you enjoyed this transformation journey, please like, comment, and share this video with fellow decor lovers, and most importantly, subscribe for more daily inspiration. Let's continue to make our homes meaningful, one redesigned piece at a time. Because here at Kuki Decor, we believe that old doesn't mean outdated, it means timeless. Every piece deserves a second chance, and every home deserves a touch of heart.